Let's catch up on the weather. Carol's got all the details again. Morning.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you as well. Today's going to be a fairly cloudy day. It's a cloudy start. Some of us will see some rain, a few of us will see some showers, and for some it's actually a dry and a bright start to the day, but that won't necessarily last. So what we have is low pressure once again driving our weather. You can see from the spacing of the isobars, still windy in the west, more particularly through the Irish Sea. This first weather front heading north, taking rain with it. A second one coming in from the west, that's drifting eastwards. So for central and eastern parts of the UK today, it's a largely dry start, but the clouds are going to build. We've got rain sweeping across Northern Ireland, where it's going to be heavy and persistent, and that's going to be pushing across Scotland. Meanwhile, our second weather front introducing some showery outbreaks of rain across Wales and southwest England, and that's going to be drifting eastwards through the day. So as we head through the afternoon, it's still going to be wet. In fact, it'll be wet on and off through the day across southwest England and also Wales. A lot of cloud around, quite a muggy feel to the weather. For Northern Ireland, we've got the rain moving northward through the course of this morning, some of that heavy and thundery, and we'll be left with a lot of showers in its wake, some of those also heavy, and the rain pushing steadily across the southern uplands, the central lowlands and into the highlands, preceded by some showers. For Northern England, you too are not immune to some showers as we go through the day, and as we come further south, more cloud building compared to what we currently have across central and eastern areas, and that cloud will be thick enough to produce some showers. So the weather picture today is fairly messy. I would say take your brolly with you. You may get caught in the rain or the showers. And tonight, our weather fronts drift northwards, taking the rain with them. The isobars slacken. It's not going to be as windy. The wind will fall light quite quickly. But there will be rain, there will be drizzle, and there'll be hill fog. So quite murky conditions tonight. As a result, it's not going to feel cold. Now, as we head towards the rest of the week, there's a signal for something drier coming our way. It will also be brighter and it will be warmer as well. So starting off on Thursday, we've got the dregs of the rain moving out of mainland Scotland, pushing into the Northern Isles. One or two showers here and there through the day. But for most, in lighter winds, there'll be more sunshine around, much drier conditions as well than we're looking at today. So it's going to feel better than it is today. Temperatures in the north still only between 15 and 17, 20 to about 23, possibly 24 as we slip further southwards in any sunshine. And then as we move into Friday, well, Friday again, a lot of dry weather around. There will be some showers here and there. We've got an area of low pressure at the moment, which is producing some showers in the southwest. Now, the placement of this low pressure could well change, but this is the current thinking. So highs in the north up to about 15 in Aberdeen. We're looking at 19 in Cardiff to 23 or 24 as we sweep down into the southeast. Bill and Louis.
Well,
Billy and Lou.
what did you do?
Don't worry.
Nothing.
What did you do?
Bill and Louis. I mixed my metaphors.
Bill and Lou, that's all right. I was just going to say, you know, it's looking better, but it's been a while since we had Scorcho, isn't it, really?
It has been, Billy. 22, 24, they're quite nice temperatures for this stage in the year. That won't feel too bad. But when you look at, 14s, 13s, that's really poor for August.
Yeah.
It's just disappointing, isn't it, Carol?
Carol.
Thank you.
Louis, eh?
That's what I get called at home.
It's coming up to 7:20.
A diesel is cheaper than unleaded petrol for the first time in 14 years. Des got more on that, the rest of the business news.
I think Louis, I quite like that.
Oh, no.
Louis and Bill. Brilliant. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, the price of diesel fell nearly 5 pence a litre last month.